Your gas pedal is lying to you every single day. Every time you floor it, expecting that rush of power, your car's computer is actively holding you back. Here's what your manufacturer doesn't want you to know. That computer controlling your engine? It's programmed to be conservative. Manufacturers deliberately limit your car's potential to meet emission standards and create performance tiers between models. But here's the thing, all that hidden power is still there, locked away in your ECU. ECU tuning is like giving your car's brain a performance upgrade. We're talking about software modifications that can unlock 10 to 40% more horsepower and torque. A turbocharged 1.8 liter making 150 horsepower? With just an ECU tune, it can jump to 190 horsepower or more. The beauty is in the progression. Stage 1 starts with just software. No hardware changes needed. You get better throttle response, more power, and often improved fuel efficiency. Stage 2 adds supporting modifications like upgraded air filters and exhaust components. Stage 3, that's where we go all out with turbo upgrades and internal engine work. But here's the proof that matters. Dyno charts don't lie. These graphs show exactly how much power and torque you're gaining across your entire RPM range. Real numbers, real results, measured on professional equipment. The best part? ECU tuning is often the most cost-effective performance modification you can make. For the price of a quality exhaust system, you can unlock performance that's been sitting in your car all along. Your gas pedal doesn't have to lie anymore. It's time to unleash what your car was really meant to do.